We've actually been doing this program, Operation School Bell, which is our signature program. We've been doing it for about 45 years. We did a couple of hundred the first couple of years, and then it got bigger and bigger. We're in a new building now, so we're hoping that it's just going to continue to grow.
The reason that we do this, it's so much fun to go and actually distribute the clothes and see those kids. They get a hold of the bag and they're not going to let go of it. They're so proud of what they've just received and excited. And there's no feeling like that when you see the result of what we're doing here.
It's a wonderful program. The volunteers are wonderful to work with, and everyone puts all their everything, heart and soul, into this project.
How can you not do it? If you have the time, you can make a difference. I just can't imagine sending a child to school without the proper attire and having them be ridiculed or felt left out. And if you can help their self-esteem, why not?
I feel like I'm doing something for the community, especially helping little children who don't have all that we have.
Sometimes they've never had a toothbrush. Sometimes they've never had a new pair of clothing. It's all hand-me-downs. So it's exciting to see their responses and the reaction that they give us when we are there in front of them, handing out the bags.